Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to subtract in Excel. Subtraction in Excel is done using simple formulas, which makes it easy to calculate differences between numbers in cells. To begin, open your Excel worksheet and select the cell where you want the result to appear. In my case, I want the result to appear in this cell, so just select it and type equals. Now select the numbers that you want to subtract. In my case, I want to subtract the original price with the discount. So I'll just select the original price, and if you want to subtract, type minus. Then select the other cell that you want to subtract. After selecting the values, just hit enter and your result will appear immediately. You can also click on the bottom right and drag it, and the result will be copied and automatically subtracted. And that's it. We just learned how to subtract values in Excel using basic formulas with cell references and fixed numbers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.